Here I am down at the East Bowl on January 20, 2022. Time is 7:56 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. I'm going to do my circuit today. See what's happened since I was down here on Tuesday. Alright. Looks like they've got this graded down pretty good, close to what they want, I assume. They've got markers out across the ground that probably helps them judge the grading. I don't see anybody down here currently. So, you got the sun coming up back over here to my left out of the east. I'm just going to do a slow pan around here. Got a lot of glare on the phone here, screen. So, probably be a quick shoot down here, do a couple of scans, call it good. Today is Thursday, we're into the closing up the 13th week of construction. Next week we'll be into the 14th week. So I'm going to do another sweep across here. This will just give me some benchmark for the area. Move on down to the West Paseo. Going to shoot again 1080p 422 LT ProRes today. But I think this is all I'm going to do right here. Probably do a shorter day today since there's not a lot of change, I think. So I'm going to shut this down here. And then I guess I'll move around. I'm not sure if I'll move to City Hall yet. I'll make up my mind here in a second. Alrighty, this is it for the East Bowl. Right, here I am down at the north gate at City Hall. Just going to do a little pan around here. Not much different down here from what it's been lately. Not really much to see from down here really, but I'll do a little bit here. Kind of nippy this morning. No clouds in the sky today. Clear. Gonna be a clear, sunny day. I think there's a slight chance of showers over the weekend, just one day shortly. So, just do a quick shot here. Then I'm gonna move around to City Hall and then just have a quick shot down here of what's going on. Right here I am down just a little bit down from where I was north gate, shooting at the City Hall over the lagoon here. Early morning time now, 8:05 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. This hasn't really changed much at all either. Debris piles still where they were last time I visited. I do see back over here though, it looks like they got a huge pile of dirt back over there just in front of the Swahara Hotel at the west side of the Drinkwater Plateau. Looks like a really enormous pile of dirt there. So maybe they're going to utilize that in over in that area, or just storing it there till they get rid of it. I'm not sure. but I'll make a complete sweep of this, and then I'll move on around to the West Paseo. Start back over here and just make a slow sweep around, kind of cataloging my areas. And come January of 2023, if I come back to this same spot, I should see something totally different, one would hope. But we'll see. It'll be a long time in coming, seemingly. I do see a tractor, backhoe, front end loader combination moving around over in the West Bowl there, so I'll eventually end up back over there at the end of this circuit. So I'm going to call this good and shut it down here. Right, here I am down at the West Paseo, 8:19 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. See what's going on down in the West Paseo. Don't see a lot happening at all down here either. So make a low scan here around the area. Some activity in the West Bowl. Also, you can see the large dirt pile they've got accumulated down there. Stands out pretty good against the sun. So interesting to see what that's for. But that's probably some of the dirt that was over at the East Bowl, I'm gonna guess. I don't know. Going up here a little bit higher. See if I can see over into the West Bowl a little bit. Make a pan back around this way before I move on up into the end here. Again, not much going on down here. I don't know if they've reached sort of a stalemate on what they can do. I do see down here, which I don't remember last time, they filled in this trench work that was down here. So all that appears to be filled in right there. Completed that. And down to the West Bowl. Can't really see a lot from here. Pan back around this way. Not really much happening today at all. I'll go around and hit my basic spots, but I think this is all I'll shoot right here. I'm gonna call this good. Right here, I am coming around by Vino Winery. I did a scouting trip down here yesterday, and they have a sign posted that indicates that they are closed at this location now. So I'll show it briefly here. Briefly, just to paraphrase what it says, is that after 15 years in downtown Scottsdale, we are unfortunately closing our tasting room. With the effects of COVID still lingering over businesses, and the construction project you see expected to last until at least January of 2023, we made the difficult decision not to renew our lease. So they're closed. But what they're going to do is they have their production facility out at Scottsdale Air Park. So they're going to look to retrofit that so that they can have public events, bottle parties, tastings by appointment, and their wine is still for sale at a lot of retail locations around the valley. So they're not going away, they're just sort of changing their process to, I'm sure, be more economical. There's no use to, you know, paying for a venue where people have a hard time finding it, can't get to, and you got ongoing construction problems. So I just wanted to show this, but it's kind of sad that they've had to close down, but they're still active and going to do a lot of great things, I'm sure, in the future. All right, here I am coming around by Old Town Tavern now, headed towards Brown and Main. See what's happening down here. Again, like I stated my last video, this sidewalk's going to get all torn out through here, and not sure when that's going to start, maybe a couple of weeks. This will be a big mess down through here for at least two weeks, as long as it takes them to complete their business through here. Went on line to Scottsdale.gov to see what the story was on what they're doing here at this intersection. And what they're doing is it has something to do with the sewer connections, which it looks like it's going to run out of the West Paseo here. And I don't know if they're connecting the West Paseo to the sewer system. That's probably what it seems like they're going to do. And what they're doing here is they only work at night. So they come out here and start at 10 p.m. and then they work through till 5 a.m. then they stop. So that's what's going on here. They're doing the sewer work that'll tie in with the construction work that's going on in West Paseo. So you see they've run this one trench right down through here, right up into the West Paseo there. Shoot over the fence. You can also see right here they have their lighting machine, which they pull out here at night to do the night work. So that's what's going on here. It's more work connected to the infrastructure that they're laying down. So there'll be sewage lines that run down through here and connect in with the city sewage system out here. So that's what's going on here. So I'm going to end this here and move on around to the